This video describes the use of a method called cluster analysis to quickly and accurately evaluate jury questionnaires. Questionnaire-based surveys are common, and several methods have been developed to efficiently analyze these questionnaires. One of these methods, called cluster analysis, can be applied directly to the evaluation of jury questionnaires. Trial lawyers are usually given access to completed jury questionnaires prior to the start of the jury selection process. These questionnaires can be in electronic or paper format, depending upon the procedures of the court. Typically, the lawyer will go through the questionnaires one by one and assign a rating to each prospective juror based upon his or her responses. There are several reasons why I do not recommend this one-by-one approach. For one, it contributes to what researchers call low survey reliability, meaning, in this case, that jurors who provide similar responses may not receive similar evaluations. In addition, it is easy for bias on the part of the evaluator, whether conscious or subconscious, to affect questionnaire evaluation. The result is that similar prospective jurors may receive very different ratings. Cluster analysis addresses this issue by first creating groups of similar jurors. These groups are created automatically by computer algorithm based upon the jurors' questionnaire responses. Jurors with similar responses are placed in the same group. The lawyer can then rate each group as a whole based upon its typical or representative characteristics. This ensures that similar jurors receive similar ratings. In addition to increasing evaluation reliability, cluster analysis reduces the workload from evaluating perhaps 100 or more questionnaires individually to evaluating just a small number of groups. The first step in doing a more scientific analysis of juror questionnaires is to translate the responses into electronic format. For my consulting business, I use a specially designed program that does both data entry and cluster analysis. However, it is possible to use a spreadsheet program such as Microsoft Excel together with a statistical analysis program such as IBM's SPSS. When entering the questionnaire data, multiple choice responses are given a number indicating the box that was checked. For example, the first box gets 1, the second box gets 2, and so on. Open-ended responses, where prospective jurors can use their own words, are given a score based upon the content of their responses. For example, a question asking jurors whether they have beliefs against awards for pain and suffering can be given a score of 1 if the response indicates strong belief against such awards, and a score of 5 if the response indicates strong beliefs for such awards. Intermediate responses can be given intermediate scores. Once the data are imported, we can start the clustering process. After just a few seconds, the process completes, and the jurors are placed in groups according to their similarities. In this case, Group 1 has 18 jurors, all with similar responses. Group 2 contains 12 jurors, likewise with similar responses. Until further information is obtained, for example, through voir dire questioning, all jurors in a given group should be given the same rating. The evaluator can look at representative responses from each group to determine the rating.